I'm Bruce Hitchin, and I own a 928. Here's a shot of my beautiful 1990 928 S4, my dream car. And I've owned my car now for about a year and a half. Was the car that I wanted since I was a teenager. And over the next number of weeks, I'm going to be going through a process to restore this car. Now, a lot of you would look at the car and say, you know, that car doesn't look like it needs restoring. And in fact, it doesn't need a lot of restoration, but there are some things that I'm going to do to the car. There are some problems with the exterior, the paint. There's some things that I want to improve in the interior. There's some little electrical things. This car is my dream car, so I want to get it right up to snuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a series of videos so that you can experience the process with me, because I'm going through it for the first time. I've never owned a Porsche before. This is my first one. We're going to capture a little bit about how I got the car, what I've learned about the car, and a little bit about this process. I got some great people that are going to be working on it. We'll talk to them, and hopefully we can all learn a little something along the way.